Oh, that looks like that's going to be a blast. I don't have a lot of faith. Oh, no shit. Now we just have to pray that this isn't pressed on. I don't like that. Oh yeah, it's keyed and pressed. Son of a biscuit. Guess we're making a trip to AutoZone. Just got back from Harbor Freight, had to grab that puller. And while I was there, I grabbed a set of flare knot wrenches because we're gonna have to go in and do some work on those hydraulic lines for the trim. But this guy's about ready to pop off, which is good. I'm pretty sure the same bolt pattern here will work with a new wheel, but I had 1 out of the 6 or 7 or whatever it is completely seized and stripped out, so we'll be replacing the adapter block as well. Oh, there we go. So yeah, you can usually reuse these, but unfortunately this is obviously some sort of galvy, I would assume, and we have stainless steel bolts going into it, and galvy and stainless steel actually get along too well. They become one piece. So yeah, and we gotta hope that this will fit. It's a huge keyway. It's actually too big of a keyway, because nothing's ever easy, you know? Never. I might just pull that keyway out if I can. This friggin' thing's huge. Oh, you know what? I don't think it was in the right way anyway. Oh yeah, that wasn't in where it was supposed to be anyway. Because why would it be? Why would life try to make it easy on me when it can make it hard? That might work. That works. Jesus, if I hit my head one more freaking time, I swear I'm gonna hit my head. Just want to get it on there enough to get a few threads on the bolt. Yeah. Oh, we are cooking now. We are freaking cooking. Just get it started with this. I'm going to need the wheel on here to actually hold it still, or push up against the far stop. I guess that's the other option. That's about as much as my hands can hold for now. So let's grab our new wheel. Now, look at that. All right, let me get it centered-ish. Now we're centered. Find the center of the slop, which is right about there. That should do it. A couple of screws to hold it for now. Just thinking, I hope somewhere there's a shrimp boat named Shrimp It Ain't Easy. I'm sure there probably is, but that's a really good boat name. $30 Amazon steering wheel for the win. Yeah, not bad. Looks good. Way better than what was there. And And now I'm convincing him we got to change out all of these switches to this type of switch, push buttons, and wrap these panels in carbon fiber, and you know, it'll look like a much newer boat. So that's good. One thing I do have to show you all is my mother reupholstered these seats herself, and if you've ever done any upholstery, you'll know how insane that is. All French seams, or French stitching, or French something, French kissing, I don't know. It's just gorgeous, like gorgeous. The boat's a mess right now, but you can see the work was absolutely flawless. So yeah, in case you wonder where I get some of this from, I get it from my mama. I get this from my dad. Alright, thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, concerns, criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, everybody have a great day.